Namaste, my name is Akarshita and today I made a paper game which will help you spend time in your summer vacation. So the game today I made is fishing. So for that you need a plastic rod and some string and a magnet. Then I have some fishes which I made it with safety pin and with magnets. So you have to catch a fish like this.
Go one by one.
So the materials you need is a plastic stick, a ribbon or a string, and a magnet, scissors, glue, sketch pen, a piece of paper, safety pin and magnet. So to create the fishing rod, first we need to take the plastic stick and then we need to tie it with the ribbon. So I'm tying the ribbon with the plastic stick like this, and then I already tied the ribbon with the magnet, and your plastic rod should look like this. If you don't have a plastic rod, you could use any tree branches or anything. So our plastic rod is done. Now we should move to make our fishes. So to make a fish, we need a sketch pen and the shape of and the size of a magnet. Then we need to draw a fish with the size of the magnet like this. So I drawed a fish. So this is how your fish should look like. Just color it to look beautiful. So this is a fish, and now I am gonna cut out the fish. How your fish should look. If you could choose any color to color this fish. So after doing like this a fish, now I'm going to take a glue, put it on the magnet, like this. You have to put a glue on the magnet, and then we need to stick it on the fish. And that's how it's done, a magnet fish. Now I'm gonna do another fish to do it with safety pin. Now I'm gonna draw a fish. So now I draw the fish, and now we need to cut it. You could choose any color to color the fish. It's your choice. So now our fish cutout is done. Our fish cutout, it's done. Now I am gonna add glue on the safety pin and stick it on the fish like this. And this way you could make a fish with the safety pin. This is the magnet fish and this is the safety pin fish. Thank you. So now let's play the game. So I have the magnet which is tied to the ribbon, and the magnet we need to attach it. See here, the magnet fish which I sticked it to the fish, it got sticked to the magnet. This one it's sticking, and I'll do with the safety pin. See here, it's sticking because the safety pin is metal. So this is how you create and play this game. If you liked my game and activity, comment down and subscribe my video. And I have made another craft video which is in the description box below. Thank you.